Hello and welcome to this video from Berthon International of the 2010 Windy 35 Khamsin Shadow. Shadow is a very special example of the Windy 35 Khamsin and has been extensively refitted to the highest standards. These works have even included a lacquered hull finish, brand new teak throughout including the foredeck, new cockpit upholstery and silver text, new cockpit table, new diesel hob, inverter and upgrades to the bimini. This boat also boasts the larger Volvo D6-370 engines and the popular sunpad cockpit configuration. Shadow offers a large bathing platform with two outboard lockers for storage and a central bathing ladder. The two stainless fittings help you come in and out of the water, and the sockets on the back are for a dinghy retaining bar. The bimini on this example has also been remade and is reinforced with stainless struts rather than straps to give additional strength. The bimini feels very solid when underway and at speed. On the platform we also have a stainless ensign and there is a bathing platform shower with hot and cold water. The full-beam cockpit on the Khamsin is very social and you have a large aft sunpad and plenty of space to socialise and sunbathe. The cockpit also feels very safe and comfortable when underway. The full-beam cockpit configuration makes the Khamsin feel very spacious and it's easy to prepare lines and fenders inside the cockpit rather than having to negotiate narrow side decks. The table on Shadow was also replaced together with the backrest cup holders which you can see together with the new upholstery. Here the cockpit wet bar you can see has a cool box and a new fridge with sink and hot and cold water. The Khamsin also offers two separate lazarettes, one here centrally in the cockpit and another forward. There are also plenty of quality details such as the stainless steel cup holders and the traditional handrails around the windscreen. The helm position offers a first-class driving experience, and on this boat has been upgraded with the sports wheel from Windy Boats and Leather and the Garmin 7012 touchscreen plotter. You also have a dedicated area for a paper chart. On this boat there is also a Garmin log, rudder indicator, bow thruster control and VHF DSC radio. The sound system on Shadow was also upgraded to the Fusion stereo which can link to your phone or iPad via Bluetooth, and she also has signature speaker upgrades and a subwoofer. Moving forward through the windscreen, you can see the brand new foredeck teak which was fitted earlier this season in 2022. There is an electric windlass with a cover and access to the chain locker. There is also a foredeck sunpad which can't be seen in the video. The beautifully appointed accommodation on the Khamsin includes a converting comfortable V-berth forwards, which has been upgraded on Shadow with leather upholstery. There is an infill cushion and the table drops down. There are also lockers up and outboards of the saloon seating area, and you can see from the video the general good condition of the boat and also the cockpit floor. The well-appointed galley includes a top-stowing fridge and recently replaced diesel-fired hob. There is also plenty of storage lockers with custom fiddles for crockery and glasses. The advantage of the diesel-fired hob is that it runs off 12-volt power with a direct connection to the diesel tank. This means that you can cook or boil a kettle at anchor without the need for gas or electricity. The heads compartment is a good size with standing headroom and quality cabinetry, and a sink with mixer tap and shower. In the locker you have the control of the shower sump pump, holding tank gauge and extractor fan. The aft cabin has full standing headroom as you enter the cabin, with plenty of space to change and a closing door for privacy. You then have a comfortable double berth. Moving back into the cockpit, the aft sunpad features an electronic backrest which was recently serviced by the owner. The engine room is also accessed via hydraulic struts which lift the engine room hatch. The Windy 35 Khamsin is today particularly sought after with the largest Volvo D6 engines. These boast incredible acceleration and a top speed in the region of 47 to 48 knots depending on conditions. There is easy access into the engine room for servicing, and the engines have been recently serviced by the owner. Thank you for taking the time to view this video of the Windy 35 Khamsin Shadow. We would be delighted to offer any further information or to arrange a personal inspection.